Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan your system with the offline Microsoft Defender, which comes with the by default. And this is the best method to scan your all the hard drive, all your system, and remove the viruses from your Windows. For that, press Window plus I button together to open Windows setting. Okay, now you will see Update and Security. Click on this Update and Security option. Once you are on this page, you need to click on Windows Defender option. Okay. Now open the Windows Security Center. Now go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click on that and you will see the option of Scan History and Quick Scan. Click on the Advanced Scan option, this option. Okay, now you will see three options. Custom Scan, Windows Defender Offline. This is the option we want. Okay. In this option, your system will be restarted and it might take 15 minutes to scan your all the systems. So make sure you have saved your work and click on the scan now option and your system will be restarted. Click on scan option. Click on yes option. Okay, now you can see Windows will shut down in less than a minute. Okay, now the Windows restarting. Okay, now this is the process. Process is started. Windows Defender offline. You need to wait for almost 15 to 20 minutes. You can see the option Windows is being scanned. This might take a while. It's done. Your PC will be restarted. You can cancel it on any time, but you can see the item scanned. The Windows 21H2 and 21H1, Windows 20H2, all the option will be same for the all options. And this is the way how the scan will be done. So I'm canceling this process. To save your time, you need to wait for the process to complete, and after that your system will be automatically restarted, and hope your issue will be solved as well. And you need to make sure you should not connect to the internet. This should be offline with the offline, and you should not connect with the internet. This will be the offline. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.